Knowing all the key air conditioning parts and how they work can seriously help you figure out if your system is a heat pump or just a regular AC, especially when you check the outside unit for that reversing valve. So, first off, the outside unit is where most of the action happens, and if you see one pipe going in and three coming out, that reversing valve is your giveaway that it's a heat pump. The compressor is like the heart, pushing refrigerant through the system to cool or heat your home. The condenser coil lets the heat escape outside during cooling mode. That reversing valve flips the flow of refrigerant so your system can switch between heating and cooling, super handy for year-round comfort. The evaporator coil inside your house pulls heat from the air when cooling and releases it back when heating. The expansion valve controls how much refrigerant goes into the evaporator coil, keeping everything balanced. Then you've got the blower fan inside, which pushes the cooled or heated air through your ducts. If you want to test if your heat pump is working right, listen for any strange noises, or check if the outside unit is running during winter, because regular ACs don't run outside then. Also, monitoring your energy bills can clue you in if something's off, since heat pumps are usually more efficient. One of the biggest issues people face with heat pumps is not recognizing the reversing valve, which can lead to assuming they only get cooling, so always look for that pipe setup outside. Another common mistake is ignoring regular maintenance, like changing air filters and cleaning coils, which makes your system work harder and wastes energy. Just set a reminder every few months. Also, many folks don't realize that if the outdoor unit freezes up in winter, it needs defrosting, otherwise it won't heat properly. Make sure your system's defrost cycle is working, or call a pro if it isn't. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call. It also hooks up contractors with steady work by connecting them with people who need help on home projects, making things easier for everyone.